Hi, and welcome to the Daily Self Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj. And today, let's check out the self limiting beliefs that limit ourselves and our capabilities to grow, that does not allow us to perceive the life that we want to live. If no one has ever told you this, listen to what I'm sharing today and just don't listen it. Consume it. Apply it in your life. Because no matter what people say around you, no matter what people think about you, these are the hardcore realities of life. First is you are not too old and it's never too late. You can start that new project today. You could resume your college studies today. Anything and everything that is going to help you taking that next leap of faith and helping you grow in life is the absolutely perfect moment for you to do that. So rather than be holding yourself back and saying, I'm too old, oh, it's too late. No, it's not. The only late is when you know that this is something you want in life, that this is something you want in your life and you are delaying it. The delay is taking you towards getting late. Right? Nothing else. Second, how you perform in your academics is not going to define who you are, what's your worth, what's your passion, what's your growth instinct, how you perceive the life. Those grades are not going to define the person that you are. Who you are as a person is defined when you take that education, when you take that learning, irrespective of how much are you scoring. Scoring is a form of reflection of how you are learning, but then it's not the absolute form. So please don't stick yourself to just getting good grades in school or colleges or in any professional exams you may be attempting, right? Stick yourself to new learnings every single day. Welcome education, real education, because that's priceless. And what isn't priceless is your grades. If you are scoring high, if you are the topper of the school, college, etc., well done. But if you are not, still, treat yourself as a human being because you are a human being. Next, and this is a very, very important one. Never ever be ashamed of trying something new in your life and failing at it. Never be ashamed of that. Never ever be ashamed of that. Why? Because most of the population across the world don't even dare to try new things. They won't get up from their bed and say, okay, I'll just try this thing today. No. Most of the people are too happy in their routine life which is no longer serving them. They themselves know that their particular lifestyle is not serving them. But still they aren't doing anything. They aren't taking any conscious decisions or conscious actions on that. You have thought of taking that action. That means you have that courage. You are allowing yourself to be uncomfortable, challenge your limits, and become limitless. So like I said, there is no shame in trying and failing is because the moment you try, even though you failed, still you have taken that one step ahead from where you were earlier before you have initiated that trial process, right? So once you have stepped ahead, you are only going to move forward. You are never going to move backwards. Number 4, never ever let your mistakes define the person that you are. No one is perfect. So break that perfection syndrome Try new things, make mistakes, but learn from them and then again try. Try not to make the mistakes, try to move ahead, but never let your mistakes define you. And always remember this one thing: the best version of you is yet to come. Keep evolving, keep growing. Allow yourself to be in that uncomfortable zone all the time. Because growth never lies in the comfort zone of a human being. The moment you get comfortable, that's the moment when you stop yourself from growing. So always be in that zone of uncomfortableness. Allow that to happen to you. Because that's what is going to take you to the next level of your life. So with this, I'll sign off for now. Stay tuned for my next episode. Listen to all the previous episodes that I've shared so far with you all. Please connect with me. Connect with me. If you have any questions, I always encourage you to directly connect with me and I will be more than happy to help you. And don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and to share my podcast among your network. Stay self-loved, stay blessed, stay happy. With this, bye-bye.